If I get between the bottom of the U and up here, that's my face level. I'm holding my hands here to simulate this. Too often I'm doing this, and I see a lot of people making that mistake. I've been instructed to try this. It sucks. These are more technically sound roundhouse kicks than what you do when you spar or when you start. I'm a blue belt now, which is a white, yellow, orange, green, purple, light blue. The sixth belt in my progression, including the white belt, which is a beginner. A lot of times what people do when they kick roundhouses, they do it at an angle. And that's okay for sparring, I guess. This is what I'm told. But a real roundhouse kick, a technically accurate one, something like that without the falling back. Plenty of YouTubers out there can do it better, but like I said, 56 and this. Biology's taking its toll, but I'm going to slow down Father Time. Here it goes.